Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Park on a level surface and put the transmission in park with the parking brake engaged. Turn the ignition to accessory or start the engine so the electronics power the roof motor. Modern mini convertibles require electrical power to move the top. Walk around and check the boot space, roof hinges, and guide channels for ice, snow, luggage, or debris that could block movement. Remove any obstacles and fold or secure the wind deflector if it is mounted to prevent damage when the roof stows. Sit in the driver's seat, press and hold the roof switch firmly for about 3 seconds until you feel the motor engage. Keep the button depressed until the sequence completes. On some mini models, you must unlock or release the boot latch first so the roof can fold into the trunk. Confirm the boot lid is unlocked and free to open fully. Pay attention to the roof travel and stop immediately if you hear grinding, see a foreign object, or if the roof binds. Then release the switch and inspect. Allow the roof to fully stow until the boot closes and the motor stops. Only then release the roof switch so the system completes its automatic locking cycle. If the roof jams or stops mid-travel, release the switch immediately, turn the ignition off, and inspect hinges, seals, and the boot area for obstructions. Do not force the roof manually. After the roof is closed or stowed, verify that seals are seated, the boot is latched, and interior items are secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.